One of the most important features of Nmap is service version detection. Knowing an exact version of specific service is very important when conducting penetration tests and other security assessments. When we are familiar with exact service version, then it is very easy to find vulnerabilities for that specific service. In order to conduct a simple version detection scan, we just run nmap-sv against scanme.nmap.org. Adding -v or verbosity is, as always, optional. When this scan is finished, we can see that we have additional column in the output, which gives us the specific version of the services that the Nmap has detected. We can see the exact version of OpenSSH, we can see the exact version of Apache HTTPD, and we get service info, which indicates that the OS behind those services is probably Linux. We can increase the intensity of service detection by increasing the amount of probes. We are going to do that by running a command nmap-sv-version-intensity9. So that's the maximum number of intensity that we can set for the version detection. Again, in this case, adding -v is entirely optional. And here I need to add the hostname in order to do a real scan. And as you probably expect, I'm going to use scanme.nmap.org. We increased version detection intensity, so let's see if our output is any different than before. We just need to wait for the scan to finish. As you can see in the output, we have more versions and services that are identified by this nmap script. This is the direct result of increasing the version detection intensity. Also, there is another very important nmap flag, which is -a, which is a special nmap flag that activates 3 modes inside nmap. The 3 modes are operating system detection, version detection, and script scanning, which I am going to talk about later in this course. The aggressive mode in Nmap is much more likely to be detected because it sends much more probes. In order to run the scan, just type in nmap-A against scanme.nmap.org. The -a flag in Nmap is just a shorter version of -sc, -sv-o, because it just combines those 3 into one, which is in this case -a. Adding -v as a verbosity is optional. Now we just need to wait for the scan to finish. By using -a as a aggressive mode in Nmap, we got a really big output. The additional information that we got using the -a aggressive mode is, for example, supported HTTP methods, which are in this case get, head, post, and options. And we have a very interesting HTTP title which says "Go ahead and scan me." That's because we are scanning scanme.nmap.org. Again, I encourage you to try these scans and commands against your own network and devices on your network, as well as on the internet.